All right, so today we're going to talk about this ghost pillow here by GhostBed. Super soft, super comfortable pillow. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now. They on their website they have like I think three different kind of pillows. This is the FAUX pillow. I'm spelling it because I don't really know how to pronounce it, but it's super comfortable, super soft and like evenly soft all the way around. It comes with a 5-year warranty. There is a 101-day return if you don't like it, and it's free shipping too, so you can't go wrong. It has a micro gel fill that gives you that huggable, squeezable fill, and as you can see here, perfect for backside and stomach sleepers. And the dimensions here are 20 by 30 by 7. It's super comfortable. Comes in a box like so when you get it. Very nice pillow indeed. And like I said, it has a 5-year warranty. 101 days to try it out. If you don't like it, you can send it back, and it has free shipping as well. There's a link in the video description below. So yeah, pretty cool. Check one out. Talk to you soon.